was a fairly disappointing day of trade. We got off to a decent start but didn't even manage to hold up at those levels. 61.76 thereabouts was the kind of low that we touched. We did recover, but it was a flat close, off by 0.3% for the frontline indices. Broader markets, though, they saw a little bit more activity. The mid-cap index managed to sustain the green line by the day's close after falling to the day's low, and the small-cap index, though, that remained absolutely resilient through trade. It was the banking index which put a lot of pressure, and you had the real estate basket too, which contributed on the downside. The defensive, so clearly you had FMCG and healthcare, which held out. Top losers included a Tata Power, Bank of Baroda, SBI, as well as an ICICI Bank. Select stocks in focus. Tata Motors inched up as the JLR India sales were up 22%, and you had the Tata Motors December US JLR sales also up by a good 17%. So that certainly worked well for the counter. JSW Steel was a positive brokerage. CLSA upgrading the counter to buy. They raised the target price to 1,300, saying that the improved margins, the resumption of the Karnataka mining is expected to aid the stock performance going forward. Mastech too did very well for itself. The board will be mulling a buyback on Wednesday. And you had some of the the power stocks which came under a fair bit of pressure today, as the power tariffs will be cut by up to 15% in the month in Maharashtra. IOC too was in focus as the diesel prices were raised by close to 50 paise per litre from the 4th of January. You had something like Asoba Developers. The company sold close to 7.4 lakh square feet versus 9 lakh square feet in the last quarter. So that's down something like 17%. The bookings too for the company, as per the press release, has been down by 6% on a year-on-year basis. Clearly, Infi, the rejigging of the top deck, has left most of the brokerages with a sour taste in their mouth. They're saying the uncertainty is only likely to persist with respect to the recent attrition level, and that's going to remain a concern. Meantime, Sadbhav Engineering, there was exclusive information. The counter rallied smartly, petered off those gains as they're looking to securitize annuity proceeds of the Nagpur Seoni project, and also are the lowest bidder for one of the other projects in order to offset their debt. This is also spaced information. McNally Bharat then, it won orders worth 14 crore rupees, the counter active. And Financial Technologies was clearly one of the star movers today, as we understand from sources that they've sold a stake in NBHC for over 300 crores to PE investors, and that has been sold. In fact, the stake sale announcement is likely within the next few days. On the upside, though, you had ONGC that held out. Sun Pharma, JSPL and Tata Motors, we already flagged off, did fairly well for itself.